The production possibility curve is a fundamental tool for understanding trade-offs and efficiency in an economy. At its heart, this concept illustrates that resources are limited, meaning choosing to produce more of one thing requires producing less of another. When an economy operates exactly on the curve, it is at full efficiency, utilizing every available resource to its maximum potential. To keep the model simple, economists assume a fixed set of resources and technology, focusing only on two types of goods. Points inside the curve show waste, while points outside represent goals that are currently impossible to reach with existing means. As you move along the curve, you can see how increasing the production of one good forces a decline in the other. This famous saying perfectly captures the essence of the curve, reminding us that every choice has an opportunity cost. Understanding these trade-offs is essential for analyzing growth and policy. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more basic economics.